Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 200 grams of short pasta such as small shells, 1 liter full-fat milk for creaminess, and 100 grams sugar for balanced sweetness. Toast aromatics in a small pan. Heat 2 tablespoons ghee, lightly brown 10 cashews, and 1 tablespoon raisins until aromatic. Prepare cardamom by crushing 6 green cardamom pods and reserve 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom to fold in later to deepen flavor. Also have a pinch of saffron and 2 tablespoons warm milk ready. Begin by boiling pasta in salted water for 6 to 8 minutes until just tender. Drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pan, simmer 1 liter milk on medium and reduce by 1/3, about 20 minutes, stirring to prevent scorching. Return pasta to the reduced milk and add 100 grams sugar and 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom. Cook together gently for 8 to 10 minutes until the pasta absorbs flavors and the mixture thickens slightly to a creamy consistency. Finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons ghee for sheen and richness, and add a pinch of saffron that you have steeped in 2 tablespoons warm milk to lift aroma and color. Cook until the kheer thickens to a loose pudding consistency, then remove from heat and let it rest about 5 minutes so flavors meld. Taste and adjust sugar or cardamom. Top with toasted cashews and reserved raisins. Serve warm or chilled, and refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container up to 3 days for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.